Now I'm at Worldskills 2019 at the NEC. Now you can see that DMG Mori have got some turning machines over there for some of the guys that are obviously trying to win the UK version and go into the Worldskills and represent the UK. But interestingly, I'm on the MTA stand and talking about the NEC. In a number of months' time in 2020, there's going to be MACH 2020. I'm here with Tom. Tom, tell us a little bit about why you're here at Worldskills.
Well, I can't get enough of the NEC, obviously, that's why. But it's great to be here at Worldskills today. It's absolutely rammed, so many kids coming through, and crucially, the engineering area is really full, and you're seeing a lot of people enthused and finding out about careers in advanced engineering. But for me, myself, it's all about MACH 2020. We'll be here in less than 6 months' time, opening the doors of these halls and filling it up with every manufacturing technology you can think of for the UK's National Manufacturing Show.
Now, wonderfully, you know, the halls we're actually in is obviously where we're going to be, but, you know, when you come back to Worldskills, when you talk about skills shortages, you know, this type of event's got to be good for the UK, hasn't it?
Well, yeah, it's just to get the next generation to engage with the technology that's out there, and if you can see it being applied in a practical way, that's all the better. And there's some fantastic exhibitions and stands here today doing just that, and it seems to be a lot of kids enthused about what's going on.
Well, that's what I like about these type of events, is that, you know, I don't think I've ever seen so many children in, or young learners and buses, let's say, bringing all these guys into the NEC. So when we look at MACH 2020, you know, we're on one of your exhibitors' stands here, Mitutoyo, DMG Mori behind us in reference to supplying machines. Tell us a little bit about, you know, how much is sold of floor space.
So far we're about 95% sold with the shows, so we've got the last few going in. So if you're thinking about exhibiting, there's still time and there's still space, so please get in touch with us. Just get in touch with mac@mta.org.uk to inquire more about that, or give us a call in the office. But there's still space, and it's the best platform for you to promote yourself at the UK's National Manufacturing Show.
Now, talking about the visitors aspects, now what's new at MACH 2020 compared with 2018?
Well, we always try to develop the show and get something in. It's important for us to have the engagement points. It's a learning, it's a place to come and learn. We're at the moment populating our seminar programme, which has been, you know, really popular in the past. We've had people like Airbus, BAE Systems come and talk, and we're looking for the same sort of ilk again. Engaging with higher education and academia to bring kind of practical solutions into today and let manufacturers know what they can be benefiting from. So there's a lot of that there, but we're all about supplying extra visitor value. You know, a reason to come, a reason to learn, and a reason to find out about what is happening in the UK engineering sector.
Well, no, I think the UK market is very busy. We know that. Everybody seems very busy. There is skills shortages. Everybody's looking for apprentices. They're looking for sales guys, you know, looking for service guys at the end of the day. And I think MACH's coming at a really good time next year. I mean, it's obviously a little bit uncertain in the politics world, let's say, but let's not get into that. But look at something positive. You know, just to remind, you know, everybody watching this video, when is MACH 2020?
MACH 2020 takes place from April the 20th to the 24th. Right here at the NEC in Birmingham. So make sure registration opens up in December, so make sure you get yourself over to macexhibition.com and register your attendance and come and see the UK's National Manufacturing Show.